Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your alarm background on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first thing first, we have to go to the clock application, this one. And after this clock application opened, we can go to alarm section right here, and then you can click on the three dots to open the alarm setting and go to setting. And here you just need to select the alarm background since we want to change the alarm background on our Samsung Galaxy phone. And you have to go to the background, and you can choose the background which has been available on your phone, or you can also choose a photo from your gallery. And here I'm just going to pick a random photo from my gallery, guys. I'm just going to select maybe from this folder. Okay, I'm just going to pick this photo. Okay, and once we're done, we just need to click on done. And okay, and now as you can see that the alarm background has been changed. Alright guys, and that's how we can change alarm background on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.